Hello and welcome to Creative Design and Supply. Today I am going to show you how to sublimate and make a graduation topper. You do not have to use the flowers. You can put pictures, anything you would like with it. So we are actually going to sublimate on Siser's Rainbow White glitter, and I'm going to show you how we are going to do that. So here I have mocked up, or I have my sublimation print. Now, some of the caps are different sizes, so before you get into doing this, the one that I bought off of Amazon for the other video, the one with the roses without sublimation, that one is a 9-inch. Most of the templates that I've seen are a 9.5, and I'm just going to go with this one, but I just want to show you this one's 9. Now I'm printing from an A4 Sublimation Sawgrass SG500, so it takes A4 or 8.5 by 14. So I wanted to show how you can do this, and so with this one, this is 8 inches, and we are going to leave a gap around it like that. I don't know, you could put some pictures. I'm just doing this for a video, so it's just going to be roses, but you can put a photo or whatever you would like with it. So here I have a piece of parchment paper, and this comes in. This is how I'm able to sublimate on this adhesive before I press it. Okay, so now I am just going to peel the carrier sheet off. All right. And I like to hold on to these carrier sheets. You never know when you will need them. All right, and so now I am just going to take my little sandwich that I do, and we are going to put, it's just a folded piece of butcher paper. All right, and I am going to go ahead and we are going to center this. All right. Let's see. Okay, so now I am just going to tape this down. All right, so now I am just going to close this up, and I am going to sublimate at 385 for 60 seconds. Okay, so now I just have, this is the same thing that is on our heat press. I just have an extra one. So we're going to sit this here. All right. And I want my old traditional weeder so I can grab this. All right, and now here is the big part. You do not want to stretch this. Look at how pretty that is. All right, and now you can just pull that off and let it lay down flat and relax again. All right, and then we can turn around and we can sublimate it onto, or excuse me, press it onto our board. I need to put my heat press down, and the reason why I put these on here, okay, so I went ahead and I took another piece of a similar color, so that way if you see my edges. Okay, so this is a prime example of whenever you heat HTV up. Since I did for 60 seconds, it does shrink a little bit. When you press it on shirts, you don't see that. But right here, I cut these from the same file, so I am going to take this and I am going to trim down a little bit more of the edge so that way you don't see it, or you can make it just a little bit bigger. and make sure that you have your edges on both sides. I'm going to go ahead and press that on there, and I am going to cut those edges. I'm waiting for my press to lower so that way I can press it at 310, and I'm going to do about 7 seconds, just so I don't overwork it and shrink it even more. And if I need to, but this is just going to be just to show in our store, so I'm going to hang it up, and I'm not going to put it on another cap. And I'm just going to leave it back in here because when you heat it up, your sublimation will become a little active because it's only at 300, so it should not bother it too much. But you will need to cover it with something. So, all right, I am going to press this just the way it sits. And we are going to press it for about, like I said, 7 seconds. All right. So see, it wasn't at a high enough temperature, so it did not have a bleed, but just to be on the safe side. Because if that gets on the top of your plate, every time you press, you will leave a little bit. Okay. So now I am going to go and trim the edges off real quick, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I could have left it like that, but I like everything to be even and nice. And we can add some flowers. I don't want to add too many because I don't want to take away from the edge. So I may just add a few. I don't know if I want to bring that color. Let's just see. I just tried to roll a few of all of the colors, and I was thinking about putting them, that one's just a little bit taller than I like. I don't want to bring them out too far. Let's see. Let's go ahead, and I'm going to start with this one. And I'm just going to do a few different colors. I have a bunch of little ones because I didn't plan on doing too many of them. Don't want them over there, so I don't want to crowd that part up. All right. So now that my my glue gun And I have seen where a lady will take that, and if she wants to move some around, she heats up the back of it. I'm not really worried about that. And I will pull all the little glue strings off at the very end. All right, now I'm just going to add a few little ones to try to just round it out just a little bit. See, I think that one will work right there. Really pretty. Well, maybe not. Maybe that one was meant to be. Okay. Okay, I believe I'm almost done. Okay, last one. All right. Oh, there's my little bitty one. All right, and there you go. You have it. And you can do double-sided tape on it to put it on there. I hope that helps someone. If you have any questions, comment below, and I will be glad to answer them for you. Thanks. Have a great day.